Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update, and this is basically a Google Sheet calculating the calories based on some calculation. The calculations were already available, and the task was to get the input fields aligned and pull out the output field based on the selection in the input field. So you can see, so let me change the formula, change the gender, and you will see the changes in the calories and other. So if I'll change it to male, you'll see 2504, and maybe if I will change this to 200, you can see everything is getting changed. Let me show you uh, with the changes of this. Yes, you can see these are also changing. Okay, let me show you. So for example, in this field, I have added this yellow field. So basically these fields are same for male and female. So I have converted the gray cells, which you don't need to make the changes in. We just need to make the changes in the yellow cells. So 20%, 15% maintain, whatever. If you want to add more, you can let me know. So let me show for the males weighing 140 and 25%. So this should be lying in between in here 2893, 340 and 33, 333. So 2893, 340 and 333. So if I'll change this to maybe this one 2342, 340 and 95. So this is 15%. So let me make a change of 15%. See, so this is same. And similarly, if I'm going to change for this for the female, you will be seeing these values 2130, 160, 80 and 193. 2130, 300. Oops, I need to make the changes for these as well. Okay. Okay, good. So now 2130, 160, 80, 193. 2130, 160, 80 and 193. I think I should need to, I'll, what I'll do, I'll use these formulas in a separate cell in here and I will spit out only the results in here. So in this way, no one will be able to modify and disrupt the formulas. Okay, so now let me make the change for the males again, and we should be seeing these values 2342, 340 and 195. Perfect. So let me change to 10%, 3031, 340 and 368. So this is the 10%, 3031, 340. I'll make the change for the females 2575, 160, 81, 390, 349. 2757, 160, 80 and 349. So yep, everything seems fine. I'll change this the reference to these formulas so that no one can disturb this formula. That is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Please do leave a feedback on the completion. Thank you. Bye.